dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, again I am here with a new craft. This is paper folding fish. It is very easy to make. Okay? So, material required is this. Some color papers. You can take any color of paper. Fevicol and scissors. Okay, so let's start. First, we have to take two square shaped papers and we will paste small paper on big one. Children, one big and one is small square papers. Okay, so first we have to take this big paper and fold like this. Okay, so you have to fold this paper like this. Okay, and then we have to fold it again. Okay, after this we have to take this second one. Okay, and fold it again. And we have to paste this paper here. After this, we have to paste this paper also. After pasting, we have to make a small cut here and paste this small paper here. Children, I have made its eye and its fin. We will paste its eye here and its fin here. Okay, children, so our fish is ready and you can see this beautiful fish. I hope you can do this work very easily, children. So children, you have to make this craft. Okay, children? So stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.